Team, we hope that you have enjoyed our do's and do nots presentation. As you know, the Lowe's family prides itself on its ability to maintain a positive and safe work environment. As you may already know, the company has decided to move away from the Race for the Cup program, and instead the company has now put in place a new incentive program based off of a new scoring model. The model is based off a 100-point system, and all the points are given per quarter for the following guidelines. DSHR compliance must be at 95% or higher. We have to complete a required LTC training at a 95 percentile or higher rate. And we have to maintain a level of OSHA recordable incidents less than 25. 90 points are needed to receive a quarterly celebration, and every quarter that we earn 90 or more points increases our spending budget. So for the first quarter that we go through and we earn more than 90 points is going to net our spending party for $400. Subsequently, quarter 2, $700, Q3, $800, and Q4 is $1,500. Subsequently, quarter 5 is an addition of $700, where 6 straight quarters involved nets us $2,000, and 8 straight quarters nets us $5,000. That's a lot of money to be put forward to a safety party. Team, I'm excited to announce that going forward from now, we are going to be implementing a new program, which is known as the Safety Buck Program. Now, you're probably wondering, what are Safety Bucks and how do I earn them? Now, Safety Bucks are distributed by the Safety Bankers, and the Safety Bankers are all the service and support managers, the LP staff, store manager Brandon, as well as the safety team. Now, in order to earn safety dollars, is safe behaviors, and most of the behaviors that we're going to be looking for are normal everyday things that we should be performing, such as identifying issues on your DSHR, cleaning up any spills, being able to replace any of our J-pins, also locking up our ladders. These are easy ways for us to earn safety bucks. Now, for every safety dollar that you do happen to earn, it gets added to your zone. So if you are given a safety dollar, whoever is issuing you the safety dollar will give it to you on the opposite end. They're going to fill out your name and your zone and the reason why you're earning this dollar. So then, when you are at the end of your shift, you just go right up to the safety board and you would deposit your safety dollar into your safety deposit. So every week, we will empty out the safety deposit boxes and tally up how much money has been earned for each zone. Then, after we've tallied up all of the money, we're going to update the boards to reflect how much money each zone has won. So you'll be able to see your current standings at the end of each week. Now, just as we can earn safety bucks, we can also lose them. And the ways that we end up losing them are by having unsafe behaviors happen. If somebody happens to damage something using powered equipment, injuring customers or associates. These are just some of the few ways that we can end up losing some of our safety bucks. Now, also, every day during the huddles, we will recap our previous day's safety earners. Our top earners are going to be placed on the board to exemplify that they are the ones that are performing actions and working very, very safely. So we want to make sure that we're rewarding those of you who are doing just that because you're making Lowe's a safer and better place to be. So by exhibiting these safe behaviors, not only are we making our workplace a more safer environment, but we're also looking out for each other. At the end of the day, this safety program is not just here to incentivize the fact that, we're just working another day safer, but we as a family need to come together and continue doing what we do best, and that's working safely. And I know that each and every one of you, I could get the promise from each and every one of you that we are going to have a very safe and very profitable 2017.